Nowadays, alcohol drinks are all around the human society, from the lowest class to the highest class. As one of the most famous drinks, it is also affects a group of teenagers, an essential group of home human population. So do I. Even I am a young adult, I'm still under that category because the legal drinking age is 21 years old.
So, in order to help people, especially underage teenagers, to understand the harm of drinking alcohol, we choose this topic to kind of discuss the relationship between drinking alcohol and teenagers.
So here is an infographic of underage drinking stats. We can see how impressive the data is.
Among youth in the United States, ex- excessive drinking is responsible for more than 4,300 deaths among underage youth each year and cost the United States 24 billion in economic cost in 2010. And in 2013, there were approximately 119,000 emergency rooms visited by persons aged 12 to 21 for injuries and other conditions linked to alcohol.
There is a research published in the journal BMC Medicine examined the data from 6 studies, including 5 from Britain, which include people's drinking patterns and the risk of developing CHD, concluded that people with unstable drinking habits are more likely to suffer from coronary heart diseases. But one important thing for this study is not about whether the risk is gonna high or low between drinking alcohol or not. It is more about people with unstable drinking habits or consistent drinking habits. And moreover, this is not a proof that alcohol abuse can be healthy because alcohol abuse is actually not a consistent drinking habit.
So there's a study published by Nature in this January talk about how alcohol causes cancer. So I found a new study published in Nature in this January talk about how alcohol causes cancer. So basically, it's saying that a group of scientists at the Medical Research Council Laboratory of Molecular Biology in Cambridge, they gave alcohol to mice. They then used a technology called the chromosome analysis and DNA sequencing to examine the genetic damage caused by acetaldehyde, which is a chemical we produce when our bodies processes alcohol we drink. They found that acetaldehyde broke and damaged DNA within blood stem cell, leading to the rearranged chromosomes and permanently altering the DNA sequences within these cells. So basically, the damaged DNA blueprint within the stem cell lead to the higher chance of getting cancer.
Think that teenagers might be drinking because they're experimenting and they want to try different things so that they can feel, like they're all grown up. And I think ways to help them is to help them to understand the dangers of drinking alcohol, try to get them counseling, maybe to a program that talks about alcohol, education. I think the most important thing is about education about the dangers of drinking alcohol at their age or even at an older age, and the amount of alcohol consumption, the differences that it makes, and how it can deter them or make a big difference in their life if they stop.
I don't know. I mean, I never had a cup of alcohol, any sort of myself. Don't know if it's actually good for yourself. I mean, I know that people like to drink it for fun, but personally, I wouldn't drink it at my age yet.
There are three terms we found from Unit 5 and 8 modules, which are motivation, emotion, and catharsis. Motivation is defined as the process that initiates, guides, or maintains the goal-oriented behaviors. So it is what causes us to act. For example, it's getting a glass of water to reduce thirst, or reading a book to gain knowledge. So like in this case, the motivation for teenagers to drink alcohol is like they kind of wanna conform others. So like when they see others drink, they kind of wanna drink together with them. So this is kind of the motivation like most of the teenagers drink.